says, from an office window 30 meters above the ground, a second taller building at a distance of 350 meters from the observer is observed here. Okay. We want the angle of depression to the base of the other building. So that's this angle theta here. And we want the height of the second building if the angle of elevation to the top of the building is 35 degrees. Okay. So basically what we're going to do is in the second part of this question, we're going to find that distance. Let's just call that x. And we'll add it to 30 because that's the height right there. In fact, I'll maybe write that in blue. There's that 30 right there. Now, the angle of depression, actually the second building, is quite easy. The triangle that we're looking at is like this. Here's our theta. This is going to end up being 30 meters, and this is 350 meters. Okay? Because what we've built here is this rectangle. Here, I'll highlight this. This rectangle right here. And so those opposite sides are going to be the same. So I've got the side opposite my theta and the side adjacent to my theta. So that's going to be the tangent of theta will equal 30 over 350. So theta is going to be the inverse tangent of 30 over 350. And so inverse tangent of 30 divided by 350, just doing that on my calculator off to the side. And that is 4.9 degrees. Okay, which is quite small, but that actually makes sense because 30 meters up and 300 is quite a bit smaller than that 350 meters along the ground there. So it actually makes sense that angle would be quite small. Now, the height of the second building, well, the first thing I got to do is figure out what x is. And this is 35 degrees. I know that this length right here is 350. I am looking for x right there. So once again, this is tangent. So the tangent of 35 degrees, whoops, sorry, I don't know what's going on there. 35 degrees is going to equal x over 350. So if I'm multiplying across by that 350, I'm going to get x is equal to 350 times the tangent of 35 degrees. And I just do this on my calculator off to the side. So 350 tangent of 35. And I'm going to get 245 meters, roughly. Now, the height of the second building, though, is going to be x plus 30. That's my y, if you will. So I'm just going to go to my calculator. I'm going to use that number that I just calculated, and I will add, and I will add 30 to it. And I get that the height of the second building is going to be 275 at 0.1, but, well, we let it 0.1 meters. Okay, this actually was 245.1 meters. We'll leave it to the nearest tenth. And there you go.